Welcome to our channel. The Anti-Rape, Investigation and Trial Act 2021 introduced significant reforms in Pakistan's legal framework to improve the handling of rape cases. Key points of the act include 1. Specialized courts establishment of anti-rape courts asterisk. The act mandates the creation of specialized courts dedicated to the investigation and trial of rape cases to ensure faster and more focused justice. 2. Sexual Assault Response Teams, SART formation of SART. The Act requires the establishment of sexual assault response teams comprising medical professionals, forensic experts, and police officers to provide comprehensive support to victims. 3. Victim protection. Protection measures. The Act includes provisions for protecting victims and witnesses from harassment and intimidation throughout the legal process. Privacy safeguards asterisk. Measures are introduced to ensure the confidentiality of the victim's identity and to protect them from secondary victimization. 4. Improved investigation procedures, forensic protocols. The Act emphasizes the importance of timely and effective forensic examination and evidence collection. Streamlined processes. It aims to streamline investigation procedures and reduce delays in the legal process. 5. Compensation and rehabilitation. Victim compensation asterisk. The Act provides for financial compensation and support services to victims, including medical and psychological care. Rehabilitation programs. The Act promotes rehabilitation programs to aid the recovery of survivors. 6. Training and capacity building asterisk. Training for law enforcement. The Act includes provisions for training police officers, prosecutors, and judges to handle rape cases sensitively and effectively. 7. Legal reforms. Amendments to existing laws. The Act introduces amendments to existing laws to close legal loopholes and enhance the overall legal framework for dealing with sexual violence. The Anti-Rape, Investigation and Trial Act 2021 is designed to create a more victim-centered approach, ensure better handling of cases, and improve the overall effectiveness of the justice system in addressing rape and sexual violence. Get more information from the following links and videos. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.